welcome back. So today I want to talk about cleaning products. I don't know why I keep doing this. So since adopting a more low-waste lifestyle, one of my favorite changes I've made is the cleaning products I use, and I'm not much of a DIYer in general. Not really into it. I feel like there's a lot of people who know more than me who create the products on our shelves, like skincare. Not about DIYing the skincare. Freaks me out. But I've gotten into DIYing my cleaning products because before I was using what I use now, I would use just your normal store-bought cleaning products and my eyes would water and burn when I used them, and it would be hard to breathe, the fumes from them all. So I learned how to kind of make my own. So I'm gonna share those with you today. So my absolute favorite cleaner and the thing I use most, pretty much for everything, is a solution of just 1 part vinegar, just white vinegar, and 1 part water. And that is literally it. Some people add essential oils or like fruit peels to make it smell lovely. I just like the smell of vinegar. It's what I associate with clean now. I got these spray bottles a few years back, but you can just reuse any spray bottles you already have, or if you don't have that, if you just have a regular container, you can just dip a cloth in it and use it that way if you don't have a spray bottle. Works totally fine. I will say if you have granite or other like porous materials like that, it's not a good idea to use vinegar. So instead, for those surfaces, I recommend a solution of 2 cups water and 2 tablespoons of Castile soap. My other favorite go-to is my deodorizer. I use it on my clothes so I don't have to wash them as often. I just hang up like my gym clothes and spray them with this solution so they don't smell too awful. Or yeah, I'll spray the couch with it just to kind of freshen it up. I'll spray my bedspread in between washes, or the bathroom. You know, or my shoes. So this is just another 2 ingredient solution. It is 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 cups of water. And that's it. Super easy. All about making things easy. Some other little cleaning tips is to use old toothbrushes and other scrub brushes to really clean out tough to reach areas before you dispose of them, even if they're past their prime. And use old newspapers to wipe your windows clean. I think they work really well at not being streaky. And I usually use my all-purpose cleaner for my windows because I'm efficient and I don't want to make another solution. But a recipe for a window cleaner that I've heard works well is 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of either vinegar or apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol. And that's just some basic DIY cleaning. And it's great because the 3 ingredients I use pretty much are just the water, vinegar, and baking soda. So those I can use for so many other things. I can get them in large containers. I always try to buy the biggest vat of vinegar that I can find, and it will last a really long time. And then it's great that I can get baking soda in cardboard, and I feel like that's the way, is that just the way it always comes? Easily recyclable. And I know exactly what I'm putting on all my surfaces. But yeah, this will probably be one of the only DIYs I ever talk about because I'm not that skilled. Thank you for watching. I hope this is useful, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see y'all next week.